launch natin yung PFPP Power Mobile Van natin. Ito po ay isang mobile assistive device workshop na maaaring puntahan ng mga individual, mga persons with disability na nangangailangan ng prosthesis, orthosis o wheelchair. Sa pamagitan ng van na ito ay lalawak pong access ng ating mga PWDs sa assistive technology at rehabilitation service. Thank you very much, Physician for Peace Philippines, Department of Science and Technology, NCR, for the initiative of this project. At syempre, andyan ang ating laging partner from Pure Foods na magbibigay ng ating almusal, libreng hotdog and Sanmig coffee. To the delegation of the Osaka City Council, we are very happy to receive and welcome you to the city of Manila, the capital of